Hi there, this is Mrs. Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and I'm going to show you today how to get going with the Cobb Digital Library, where to find it, and how to log in. So I'm here at the Pope website. I'm just going to go up here to Menu and go to Curricular and then Departments, which is how you're getting to all of your teacher information as well. And then right there you'll see the Learning Commons. On the Learning Commons page, we have a link right here at the top for the Cobb Digital Library, so you can always just click that, or you can just go to macandvia.com. When you go to macandvia.com, you'll get the same exact page, so it doesn't matter, whichever is easier for you. You're going to type in the school name, so you're going to type in Pope High School, and then it's going to say, do you want to sign into the Cobb Digital Library? We want to log in. And it's going to bring you to this page. This is where you use your Office 365 information. So the same thing that you're using to log into CTLS. So on your address, it'll say firstname.lastname@students.cobbk12.org. I'm a teacher, so I don't have that students in there, but you will. And then we'll get signed in. And then you're going to see all of the resources that are available to you. Some of our newest stuff is going to be there at the top. But if you click on databases, that's where most of the things are that your teachers are going to be using. Everything's in alphabetical order here. Some of the things that you may use right away. Adobe Spark is there. Noodle Tools is another big one. You can also go out and search the Cobb County Public Library System through our page here. So there's all kinds of stuff available to you aside from just databases for research. There's a lot of different stuff on here for you to look through. Notice that there are two different pages of information, so when you scroll down, you'll hit load more and it will bring up all of your other options. At the top, you can also just do a search for the resources, and that's another way to get something. I think I misspelled that. So there, for example, is Noodle Tools. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. Have a good day.